Hey friends, so we are on the shuttle to go to the Carolina State Fair. So excited. Free parking, free shuttle, nice people, blessed. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves. It's the last day for the fair. It's gorgeous out here. I don't know what's going on, but praise the Lord. It doesn't feel like fall, it feels like summer. So.
I'm good with that. I can definitely do hot weather. I can plan it all.
So we'll see you guys later when we get to see the rides on festivities. Yay! We're at the state fair. It's like a lot of people too. So can we just skip a line? Because we already have tickets. Oh yeah, that's just already have tickets right there.
Okay.
Or ask the young lady right here.
So we already got tickets.
We already have tickets, so we go right here. Thank you, ma'am. God is so good. We're so excited, you guys. We are here. It's so beautiful. Look at the rides, Ring of Fire. I see the Ferris wheel. What is that right up there, though, babe? It's like a bungee jumper thing.
Okay. Man, I'm trying to understand.
It looks cool, though. What is that? I like that. It's big.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at this water, you guys. So pretty. We never seen inside of the park before. Like, we didn't know the state fair was huge. Wow, that's an old Chris Mill. Free hush puppies? Where? What? Praise the Lord. I think they are. I see them eating. Praise the Lord. That state for a fly looks so fun. Those hush puppies were so good too. And then you just give them away. We got free cheer wine, free hush puppies. What the world? Praise God.
I never had anything free.
Me neither. I do remember getting free candy apples last year and free funnel cake one year, but wow, hush puppies were good.
Yeah.
That is just so cool to me. Of our amazing health fair. This is the food section, guys. Like, there's so much food. That Apple Crisp ice cream looks mad good over there. But this shrimp over here is just like popping. They got this new firecracker shrimp. Like, yes, Lord. There's so much food, y'all. Like, it's just so much food. They got what was it, baby? Flamin' hot Cheeto corn.
Yeah.
And then they got turkey, the turkey legs.
Oh yeah.
Oh Jesus, there's so much food, y'all.
I think people come with this food 90%.
This pineapple drink looks really good that she has right there.
Yeah.
That's new too. All this new stuff.
It's like that thing.
God is just so good. Like, yes. Bubbles.
This is a good
Bubbles. There's like bubbles everywhere. Oh, look at the bubbles. That's so cool, the bubbles. This is just such a blessing. I wonder how is it, oh, the little girl's doing it. I was like, how is it doing the bubbles? Oh, watch, there's a lady trying to. Oh, sorry, man.
Let's go walk around. Apparently she's back at the tree and this is
woo! There's so much food, y'all. Like, so much going on. Babe, there's a hamster wheel you're telling me about. That little hamster wheel, you go inside.
Oh, yeah.
Rest in peace to my butters. If you guys didn't know, my hamster passed on. Yeah. Yeah, giant turkey legs. Whoa. They got roasted corn. Oh, so fun. Look at this. They got big old trucks. Like, what in the world?
Oh, I think so.
Drop some tacos, burritos. Tacos, burritos. Look at this, you guys. Like, it's so cool.
This is October, by the way.
Yeah, it's October, you guys, and it's like 79 degrees out here.
Okay, well, we got some rides.
Oh yeah, ride time. There's so many people, you guys. Look at all those people.
Oh yeah, once we get in here, we can ride.
Oh, there's the fireball.
Let's go right.
Oh, there's the ride, babe. It's the one that goes fast. And then it has the music. I want to see if it goes backwards, though. If it goes backwards, we are in there.
It's a line for that ride right
Oh,
there.
dang.
Oh, that's a line.
Well, this is going to be here for a while.
They can wrap out here. Oh, wow. Yeah, that jump a little bigger than Franklin's.
Yeah, it is. It is going really fast. See, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Babe, that is our ride to the orbiter. Yes. 2 tickets, I think. Oh no, that's the number of the ride.
That one is 6 tickets.
This is 5 tickets. Wow, God, it's so good. This is so cool. Is that the pirate ship or the fireball?
The one that spins.
Oh, I like that one.
Like some little baby for your little baby.
Sweating. I don't care. I want my husband. The fireball. Okay, so it turns around, you guys, alright? So we're gonna like turn around first. Okay, so that's how it starts off. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, it gets higher and higher and higher. That's hot. I think it goes around in a circle. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. Oh, that's high, yo.
That point right there, that's when you start feeling.
Like once it goes in the air, it's like mad dope. That's hot. I love at night when it turns in different colors. Oh, does it go upside down? Aw, come
There's
on.
another one.
There's 2. Okay.
I think this one's a little bit longer. I think the bigger one does it.
I want to watch this daggone mega drop. Goodness. Look at how tall this is, you guys. Oh my gosh. Babe, this one's 5 tickets. The mega drop. I'm going in first. Alright, y'all, here it goes. Here they go. Yo, that thing is high. I think they're gonna drop in like 30 seconds. They're screaming, yo. Oh, that's hot. That was like 30 seconds, yeah. Oh my God! Ah! He had it though. Oh, you can. I think 2 or 3. I think we got it. Oh. He got it though. Okay. He's so cute. Oh, 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 one hand. Oh, 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 oh.
You gotta go the opposite way. Look at that. He might get this thing. He's doing good. I'm telling you, that's hard.
Ah, he did good though. Ah. Oh, can you turn? Okay. Oh, he got it. He got it though. He got it. Oh, he got it though.
You didn't get some points with this, man.
Yeah, he got that. He got it.
Get some tickets with this, man. They should be like, oh.
Ah, he did good. He did good though. He got it. Yeah. That is so cool. Look at the Ferris wheel, guys. It's so cool. But we're gonna. Ooh, this is what we're gonna get on next. The zipper. That is so cool. That is so dope. Look at the rainbow. Like it's like a little rainbow. Look at the screen. That's so high. That's high. So this is the ride we're gonna ride next. It's gonna go around in a second.
But we guarantee that what you are about to see, you will never forget. On the inside, you are about to see some of the strangest people that have ever lived. You will see the famous little people, only 12 inches tall, the strange and incredible mummy child, and the weird wolf boy. You will also see a two-headed rabbit, a two-headed calf, and a two-headed raccoon. You will marvel at that album, recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's biggest man, and Dolores Fuller, the world's tallest girl. Won't believe your eyes when you see the two-headed chicken and the world's
That is weird. That's why I don't go to those things. I don't ever go to these things, you guys know, because it's just a waste of money. Like, it's so weird. Like, no, don't.
Get your tickets now and start your journey into the world of the strange, the unusual, and the bizarre. The Museum of World Oddities is the strangest and most bizarre collection of human and animal oddities in the world today. What you are about to see will shock you, amaze you, and even frighten you. But we guarantee that what you are about to see.
Okay, you guys, look, it goes around. Look at how big this ride is, y'all. Yes, it's like a 8-seater. Or no, yeah, 8-seater because there's 2 on people. There's 4 on that side and 4 on the other side. Let's go.
It's so tall, still taller than the Ferris.
Exactly, it's mad tall.
Two-headed lamb, a two-headed calf, and a two-headed raccoon. You will marvel.
Tell you guys how amazing the Lord is. So first of all, we had free admission, right? Free. Then we had free parking.
Yeah, free parking.
And then the shuttle took us to the fair for free. And then we got free ride and free tickets.
You will also see the two-headed lamb,
Like what?
two-headed calf,
And it was your first time doing the zip. I think it's called the
It's a
zipper.
zipper. It's the one that I showed you guys where it kind of goes up in like a zipper, and then it's like it flips you around, and then it like it turns around. I hope I'll insert a picture. But yeah, so that whatever you just saw that. But yeah, y'all, like God is amazing. So trust and will supply all your needs. This is an amazing date day. Turns to a date night. As y'all see, it was like light and now it's dark time. But God is so good. So know that He has you to supply all your needs. almost on the ride.
We're almost there.
After 5 years later, we are almost there.
4 years in a couple of months.
But I'm excited though, for real.
It's such a good time.
It's so big. These deep fried Oreos, they look so pretty. God is so good. That's so pretty.